Holy. Alright. Off of Pinkai and looking over here. Oh, windy. Got some sidewalk work going in now. Well, that's looking nice. Hopefully that'll be open soon so people can resume walking on this side of the road. Okay folks, next on our foodie adventure, we've got another part of Los Angeles represented. This time we've got San Vicente Boulevard. Pizza. Alright, we got kind of a pizzeria outlet here. So we had North Fairfax Avenue last week. Now we've got San Vicente Boulevard. This is over here, kind of the northeastern part, whereas the Fairfax sign is over there, kind of northwest. So I don't know if that has anything to do with locations relative to the stadium, to these named areas. Maybe a better shot of it here. San Vicente Boulevard, pizza. Order by the slice, I assume. Northern tip, I think a few more ETFE panels have stretched through here. And with all these little nooks and crannies, every once in a while you can spot little parts of the Oculus leaking through. So that would be the eastern outer of the Oculus. Got a lot of trees staged. You can see all this sidewalk work continuing, pouring some concrete and making it nice and flat for people to walk on. And you can see some work going up here. You see those black things? I believe those are kind of like shock absorbers. Shock absorbers, I think they call them isolators. So in an event of a major earthquake, those things have a lot of play. Like, I'm talking like, I think like over 4 feet or so. 4 or 5 feet. And so if there is a major earthquake, it has room to be flexible, and you know, when it's really rigid, that's when you have structural issues. So a lot of the cost in this stadium is due to the fact that there is a fault line running in this area. I did see some segments of this crane already going up the road to the freeway. This Bragg crane is no longer needed. We still got another section here without seats. And then in a previous update, I know I commented about seeing somebody working on a seat. I guess what they were doing is installing some of the Wi-Fi, 4G and 5G Wi-Fi that is going to be behind the seats. Something they also did a year or so back at the LA Coliseum. If you notice, they improved the Wi-Fi there. They had to take all those seats out and install that infrastructure and put seats back in. So something similar here. Now it's a nice June gloom day, a little bit humid out. Kind of a part of the day where the sun starts to break into the afternoon. Maybe some sunny skies later on. You can see another one of these entry points. They've got that fancy pattern going on. Kind of a glass material. A bit more over here on the other side. You see this kind of light green covering. I think these are going to be some kind of directory signs. Got one over here, and then you've got some others down the road. Hopefully they'll yank that off soon and see how that looks compared to the ones at Allegiant Stadium that have already been revealed. And look at the progress of the, we'll call this the eastern side of the performance venue. Still more roof work going on. And you can see that nice flat edge there where the, like pretty much where the back end of the stage will probably be, I think. Stage is over here, and then make your way to the right. You've got the audience. And looking out beyond here at the commercial development. Okay, we're now out here the southern end off of Century Boulevard. Got some drag racing going on. And one of the parking lots that's just about finished. Got another one of those hidden signs that are covered up for the time being. Another directional sign. Trying to see if I can spot any more eateries over on the south end of SoFi, but haven't seen anything. Getting more and more landscaping here with the trees, so it's kind of obstructing this view now of the wall. It's still coming along. And see a little bit of the oculus there. Still with the test patterns. I believe that roofing is just about complete. Trying to see what these workers are up to. Wow, that was a loud firecracker. I hope it was a firecracker. Let's see, you got some more handicap parking here. Alright, so long from SoFi. The glorious Oculus. Maybe next week we'll see some Discovery Channel or something else playing after they get all these panels all set up. Smoothly paved prairie. I love it.